At Royal Skin Aesthetics, your beauty is our priority.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm RC from Malolos, Bulacan. Last June, nag-avail ako dito ng Barbie Arm Treatment dahil nalalakihan ako sa aking braso. As a transgender, gusto ko mag-feminine look ang aking katawan. Based on my experience here, nakita ko yung changes in just 1 week. Lumiit ang aking braso, nawala yung fats and muscles. And super satisfied ako sa naging result. Lumiit na nga ang aking braso, then ang aking face. Highly recommended, Royal Skin Aesthetic Clinic. Thank you to Ma'am Joy and Ma'am Angel sa pag-assist sa akin dito. Di niyo ako pinabayaan. To all my friends and relatives, welcome kayong dito magpagawa sa Royal Skin Aesthetic Clinic. Super recommended to dahil dito ako nagpapagawa. Thank you, Royal Skin Aesthetic Clinic!
Discover why Royal Skin Aesthetics is the trusted choice for many.